In the default position, Pan Knob 2 works as a regular panner, in this case a balance panner. But it can also work in pan mode, and you can select the pan low. You have a quick mono button to check, and a crossover. That means that when you engage the crossover, the frequency below the crossover is going to remain in the center. As you can see, even though we are moving the pan completely to the left or the right, there's still signal in the meters. Now, if instead of working on pan mode, we select delay mode, the pan is going to work as a Haas effect. There's a third mode in which you can combine delayed and pan mode, but I will leave that for you as a homework.